Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I do makeup videos, sometimes hauls, I do unboxing videos, and for today's video, as you've seen on the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for this and some other accessories. I'm going to be upgrading my video setup. I'm not doing this video to brag or anything. I just want to share with you guys what we recently got to upgrade, the setup, because we started doing videos, me and my boyfriend started doing videos last year, January 2019. It was focused on vlogging and Filipino audience. It's very different from my channel right now. Suddenly I can't speak. I started doing makeup videos, speaking in English, to target a much larger audience than just Filipinos. I started doing this video since April this year, 2020. This was our setup before, last year. After I gave birth, we gradually stopped vlogging. I think the last video that we uploaded on our channel was a few months back. I'm not really sure. Focus right now on my channel, so I upload weekly, 2 to 3 times a week. I just keep talking and talking. Let's get right into it. I'm going to unboxing this baby. We got the Canon EOS X10. This is also the Canon Rebel SL3. Yeah. And I also got a tripod and a mic, a Rode mic. It's just nice to see, the improvement. We're really passionate about this. It's very fun to do videos. So yeah. Let's jump right into the unboxing. So you guys, we just finished setting up the camera and this is what it looks like. So here's the baby. Hi! My boyfriend, the best. So here's the mic, the camera, the tripod. Please ignore the messy background, but here's my lighting. I'm going to insert a picture right over here. What was my lighting before. So this is an upgrade as well. So yeah, I'm so happy. So this is what it looks like when I'm filming on my iPhone XS, 10s. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. So the next footage that I'm about to show you is what it looks like when filming through the vlogging camera. The new, this one. So let's go. So guys, this is what it looks like filming through the Canon x10, Canon SL, Canon Rebel SL3. There. I'm trying not to look at the viewfinder because I know I should look directly like onto the lens, onto the audience. So for those of you who are telling me before that I have clear skin, I just don't have like a good camera. So you can now see my skin clearly and my unplucked brows. So yeah, my skin is definitely not clear. I'm so happy. So this is what it looks like right now. And we're already using the mic as well. So I hope the audio is better. Again, this video is not about bragging or anything. I know that people are struggling around the world because of what's happening in the world right now, but I just still want to share some positive vibes. You know, this is a great improvement for us, and this, we know that this is expensive. It's not an easy money for us as well. We saved up for this, and we're just really happy to invest in something that would make like our videos, my videos, better. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my uploads. Stay safe everyone. Bye.